In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a black background to white in a PDF. By the end, you'll know how to switch a dark, high-contrast page to a clean white backdrop, while keeping your text and graphics sharp and readable. First, a quick note on what background really means in PDFs. Sometimes it's an actual background layer, or a large rectangle placed behind the content. Other times, the entire page is a flattened image that happens to be black. And in some viewers, the darkness you see is just a temporary color override meant for on-screen comfort. Knowing which situation you have will guide the cleanest fix. Start by opening a copy of your PDF so you always have the original to fall back on. Zoom in to check whether the text is selectable and crisp. If you can select text, your background is likely a shape or layer you can recolor or remove. If everything behaves like a single picture, the page is probably an embedded image, and you'll be changing its colors rather than editing a true background. If your viewer is only darkening the page for accessibility or night mode, turn off any replace colors or dark mode setting to reveal the document's real colors. That alone may give you the white background you expect without altering the file permanently. If the background is a solid shape, use your PDF editor's background or page design tools to change that fill to white. If the document uses a black rectangle behind content, select that object and switch its fill to white. Keep an eye on your text as you do this. If the text was white to contrast with the black page, recolor it to a deep black or very dark gray so it remains legible on white. If the page is an image, convert it by inverting or remapping colors in your chosen tool, or by using a color conversion feature to move dark fills to lighter ones. After conversion, check for halos around text or washed-out graphics, and apply a touch of sharpening if needed to restore clarity. When you're happy with the look, flatten any transparency if your editor suggests it, then save to a new PDF. Finally, spot check a few pages and, if possible, print a single page to confirm the background is truly white and the text has strong contrast. That's the process for turning a black PDF background into white cleanly and predictably, while preserving everything that matters.